Today we're gonna make a vinegar rocket ship. Okay, so for this we're having
Water,
1 cup of vinegar,
and
that's vinegar.
This is vinegar.
Yeah, 2
Baking
teaspoons
soda?
of baking soda,
And this water bottle.
2 cups of water. Water in very carefully.
Pour it in.
Carefully pour it in. And
So
after
now we're pouring in this,
that vinegar,
and my job is to hold this,
very carefully again.
and he is going to spill it, just like I
We
did.
put it in. Now, we have some, I don't think we're gonna need this anymore. So we'll just put that down on here.
Yeah, but it's dry, but it's wet.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
So
don't
we
do what
almost
we did.
messed out. I was so close. I didn't know we.
Don't do this. Okay, now pour it on here.
Fold it so.
I'm gonna put it on here.
What
I'm
is
gonna-
that? The launch
Gotta
pad?
do it quickly.
On the launch pad, we put this in, we cap it, then we run, okay? Is
Okay.
everybody ready?
Can
3,
Can I hold
2,
it?
1. Gotta fit it in.
What if we can never get it out? Plus,
3, get ready.
okay, quick! Run!
It doesn't work. It's not gonna hold that much more pressure. Just keep watching.
Don't go close.
Stay like a 2